person's allowed in at a time.
But he needs me for emotional support. Thank you. Phew! That was a close one.
I like to kiss with a girl sometimes.
Seriously?
What? I had to say something.
Why not say you wanted to try it on?
Well, if I'm being honest, between the two of us.
Dad?
You are in big trouble, young man. And so are you. Just wait till your dad finds out about this.
It's not what it looks like. We had a half day of school. You see, Miss Seeley?
You were saying?
What's the matter, Mikey? You can't think of any more lies?
How did you find us?
I went to the hospital to fill my prescription. That's when I happened to run into your mom. When I asked her about the game today.
Your mother had no idea what Miss Silly was talking